Hey guys, I'm back after a long time with a makeup video, and I thought of making this video because I want to let you know that we have to make certain changes in our makeup routine provided that we have to wear a mask for at least 10 hours a day. So start with a very light moisturizer. You must always apply a moisturizer or else your skin will dry very easily. After moisturizer, you will go for a primer. Make sure you don't lose on this step. Primer will help to keep the makeup intact on your face for a very long period of time. Plus, it would make your skin look really smooth and blurry. No wrinkles or pimple will pop out of your face. So here I am using the Color Bar pore minimizing primer, and it's really good. Then go for a light layer of foundation. So this is the lightest foundation I've ever used. You will be able to see I'm just applying a single layer, and that's all. It looks like second skin. However, I could not go without a foundation because you can really see some spots on my skin. Plus, applying a foundation gives a smooth and glossy finish to this. It's not very like a matte finish. Then obviously go for the concealer. Here I am using the Kryolan concealer. You can use whatever concealer you like because you have to make sure that your dark circles or pimples, acne are concealed properly and they should not pop out. So then is the step of brow routine. You can do it or you can skip it. It depends how your brows are and whether you are comfortable. It's your personal choice. Then you can always do the contouring of your nose. Although contouring your cheeks is not a big deal in this situation as your face will be hidden. So I'm doing the contouring with a sugar powder. Then directly jump to your eye routine. So for my eyes, I'm using that orange or the peach color from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm using the Huda palette, and I would recommend you to buy at least one palette from Huda because the colors are so awesome. They are so smooth. They won't give a powdery effect. Plus it stays for 10 or 12 hours a day. You can always fill it. So after the eyeshadow, I'm jumping to this blush. I'm not applying a blush actually, but this is like a lipstick plus eyeshadow from my palette. You can choose your blush from your own range depending on your skin tone. I must recommend you that you should apply a blush on your cheeks because that half of your face will be hidden, and if you don't apply a blush, I personally feel after the foundation it start looking pale. So I must recommend you to apply blush on your face, not too much, but still it should be popping out of your cheeks and make you look very beautiful. Then I'm going for my eyeliner. This is the normal Lakme liquid liner. It's waterproof. I must say it's waterproof, and I really love using it. I'm using it since I'm 5 or 6 years old for my dance functions. Now you can see I'm not applying a kohl, but from the Huda Beauty palette, I'm just applying a dark shade of brown. This one with a flat brush. So yes, wing liner and then brown eyeshadow. I would prefer you not to use black because if it starts smudging while you're sweating, it will make you look very ugly. The brown color normally sticks to your eyeliner, the waterline. Plus it's from Huda Beauty, so it will stick to your face for a long period of time. Then I'm going for this lashes. These are from L'Oreal Paris, and I really love them. And this lip color, it's like a nude orangish color, and I really love this. This is from Faces Canada, Natural Choco. It really suits my skin tone and I love it. Plus it gives a matte finish, but it's not drying on the lips. The formula is really good, and I just keep applying it. Although people won't be able to see your face, however, when you're going for lunch or something like that, you will take off the mask and this color will suit, and this color won't come off easily. So I would recommend you, rather than using liquid lip colors, you can go for this. And then finally, it's up to your hair, what you will be doing with your hair. Currently my hair is really frizzy, and I really have to use the styling tools to keep it in shape. Although I'm going for a routine to take care of my hair, still for today I would like to open my hair, give it some curls, loose curls, very loose curls, because you can go to your office, or you are going to your office or like friend's house during this time hardly, so you don't want to do too much of it. And finally, you cannot skip on the last step that I will show you. You will think that the makeup video is over, but not yet. You have to let your makeup sit on your face for some time, then do your hair, apply wear the jewelry, anything you want. At least give it 15 minutes for the makeup to sit on your face. Then as you can see, I'm applying the serum on my hair just before applying the curling irons. It's really difficult in these times to style your hair. And the final and the most important step is applying the setting spray. Please invest on having a good setting spray, either from MAC or L'Oreal Paris. But as soon as you are done with applying this, your makeup will be there for 10 hours and you're ready to go applying the mask. So thank you guys for watching this video. Love you. Stay safe. Stay at home.